everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well, with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and most demanding attractive collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women, and many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, very attractive and eye-catching hair dye, and very beautiful overall ideas in today's my collection in low maintenance for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hairstyles. Mostly ideas in low maintenance, spiky and messy hairstyle. In today's my collection, some ideas fine hairstyle and too short wave and curl on hair. Very beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. The attractive ideas of messy hairstyle, and different ideas of haircut. Some ideas pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, and too short step with undercut. Some ideas with shaved, eye-catching ideas of hair dye, much more shades of blonde in today's my collection. Lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, and gold blonde. The hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, and very stylish ideas of funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and so beautiful eye-catching overall collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. My channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I'll wait. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.